everybody, welcome to Run Deals. So today I have a set of 4 insulated tumblers by Tervis. These are made in the US. They are dishwasher safe, which is really nice. BPA free, shatterproof, so you can drop them and bang them around and they won't shatter. It does reduce condensation, it stays cold, and has a lifetime guarantee. So let's open these up and try one. And washed one of the cups and filled it with some ice, and I have a can of pop here. And these are 12-ounce tumblers, which is a can of pop. We'll let the fizz go down a little bit. And with the ice, this should fit most of the can. All right, so I got most of the can in here. There's a little bit left, but that's because I put ice in the cup. These are very insulated. You can tell when you hold them that it's going to keep your drink hot or cold. Because they're a tumbler, probably cold, and that's what I'm using this for. So make sure you go to Run Deals to get discounts on great products like these tumblers.